Welcome back. In January, finally in the rearview mirror, one of the what feels like longest months of the year. It is a 31-day month. But here's a couple of numbers to look back on. 21 inches of snow, slightly below average. Obviously, the Arctic blast did not help our temperatures. We ended up with a 3-degree almost temperature departure. That takes the high and the low throughout the month. And sunshine, well, wrapped up with only 27% possible sunshine, but technically 5% above the 30-year average. So all in all, a lot of things in the 20s there. And now we're tracking even more snow to kick off the second month of the year. Few snow showers closer to the lakeshore for Muskegon and Oceana County. Otherwise, this main line is going to continue to develop and really fill in, still about 130 miles away from the Holland shoreline. Notice how this doesn't pick up on that snow that's developing over the lakeshore. All of that is very light. The more consistent snowfall will push inland around 4 to 5 a.m. As it does, by 10:30, 11 o'clock, most of this will start to sweep out. I think the heaviest will be that initial wave before sunrise. And then after sunrise, temperatures are going to start to warm up. And in fact, we'll see temperatures get above freezing in the afternoon. So most of the snow that we do see tomorrow is going to melt away in the afternoon. And then on Monday, you just saw it there, the chance of a little bit of mixed precipitation, but that should be very, very light. There's not much to be concerned about here to start your work week. All right, here's your snowfall totals from I-96 to the north, ranging anywhere from 1 to 2 inches, maybe a 2.5 if you're closer to along US 10. And south of 96, you're looking at a dusting to maybe upwards of an inch. Again, going to be closer up to the Grand Rapids. And I think Grand Rapids will be on the lighter end of that 1 to 2, maybe sitting around an inch. Ground is even so warm from the last couple of days, even with today's temperatures being below freezing and currently sitting at 24. In the city, we're already at 30 in Benton Harbor, 27 in Three Rivers. We're seeing a southeast wind start to help those temperatures rise, and that's exactly what we'll see through the overnight. And then tomorrow, we're actually going to see temperatures top out in the upper 30s as well. So talking about Monday, there's that chance for some light rain, mainly north. It seems to be trending further and further north. Again, nothing concerning there for Monday. Wednesday, though, is something we're paying attention to. The potential for widespread wintry mix. This could even have some freezing rain potential in it. Looks like it's going to be Wednesday afternoon and then into Thursday morning, and then a potential cold front to swing some rain back to snow and a refreeze. Now for the month of February as a whole, we got a couple of systems in our 7-day forecast, but it looks fairly wet for the month, and we have an equal chance with our temperatures to be above or below average as well. So it looks like it's going to be more about the systems than it is about any major temperature swing here in West Michigan for the month of February. And this week kind of speaks to it. A high of 40 on Monday, back to 28 Tuesday, and then again, keeping a closer eye on that Wednesday afternoon to Thursday system could have some more travel impacts than anything we'll see tomorrow or on Monday.